you like a diamond and you're smooth like silk and pearls. That's how much I love ya. That's how much I love ya. That's how much I love ya. That's how much I love ya.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Please like and subscribe. So tonight, our dinner, mukbang tayo guys. Late dinner. Water lang sa akin guys. Tapos may sabaw. Sabaw na nilaga. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo. What is this kind of food be? Thai?
What?
Thai food?
No, it's the couscous.
Couscous?
Couscous
From
Morocco.
Couscous from Morocco. In Tagalog or in Bisaya, couscous? Couscous.
Wash?
Yeah, couscous. Wash. Couscous.
Wash.
Okay na guys. So,
Okay.
bilang na lang. Kain tayo guys.
Oh, it's not hot. But
Sausage. Tsaka ya.
Sausage with a little bit spicy.
Sausage. Ang anghang nga guys. Where's my another spoon? Guys, may mais dito oh. Mais this one.
Try.
No, I say mais this one.
Mais?
Yeah, mais. Mais. Kung sa...
Corn.
Huh? Corn. Yes, corn, mais. In Philippines, if you are going to eat mais, you are very poor. But here, mais is special for them. Especially for Arabic. No, Arabic be?
African, Arabic.
African of Arabic, they
French.
use mais.
French.
So why is it Filipino like Viten, humay sa Bisaya? Pero dito, mais.
Like?
Hmm?
You like?
Yeah. This one, what is this?
Chimp?
Sheep?
Sheep, I think.
I think this is sheep daw. Hindi alam ang tawag ko, but may gulay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's good.
May gulay.
Like?
Kung asawa ko nagtitiping kumain ako, cowboy. This one, I like this one.
Try that.
Yeah, I tried. It's like a beans.
Okay.
Beans from what? Oh, be careful. Bon appetit, guys. This is a very heavy dinner.
No, it's a dinner of winter.
This one?
Yeah.
Ito parang pagkain nila pag winter, guys.
Because out, it's cold, huh? And all that, it's very hot. Normally.
Yeah. But he arrived late, super late. We order online, guys.
But it's
We wait for 1 hour. More than 1 hour? I like the legumes.
They swim in the juice of the olives.
Ah.
All this meat, very good. But I don't know what is that. What is it? Chicken? Oh, this is what?
Do we order pork? No. There's no pork, no? There's no pork.
There's no
It's Pata. Pata.
Tama?
No, it's...
Good bed for sleeping.
Yeah. Need so much. Okay. Is it after?
Okay.
Lamon tayo, guys. Sabi ng asawa ko, para nakakong praning.
Huh?
Yung na praning. Crazy. Nag-diet pala ako, guys. Diet.
Diet?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow magda-diet na talaga ako. This one is good also. It's very
No, good.
super spicy because look at inside. Super red.
But it's good also for out. Spicy. Spicy. It's good for cold.
Yeah. But oh my gulay, baby. How can I finish this one?
Tomorrow?
Guys, hit lang ninyo ang like at saka subscribe. Comment down below if you want. Papadalhan kita ng ganito, oh. I'm going to give away this one. Giveaway, guys, kasi hindi namin maubos.
Whatever.
And also, guys, watch out for our next video. My husband will sing or will sing Manok na Pula. Are you ready for that?
I don't have a choice. Because my wife has it.
No. If you're ready to do that.
But she might do it always good.
Just finish that.
This one. Me too. Okay.
You know my one? Just this. It's good. This one, no?
You have to again. You can finish tomorrow.
No. We finished that. With this.
Huh?
With this.
Yeah.
Just three.
Yeah, you just.
Yeah, good. Good. Lamon, guys. Yan lang puhunan natin. Lalo na pag nasa ibang bansa ka, kain lang talagang katapat. Kaya kayo mga OFW dyan, kain lang kayo, guys, ha. Huwag kayong mag-diet. At huwag maging kuripot pag dating sa pagkain. Kain talaga. Kasi sino naman ang gustong mamatay na hindi busog, ba? Like.
You can see.
Yeah, better. We transfer if we have enough Tupperware.
Yeah.
Maybe. No.
Only two.
Ayun, guys, basta na ako, guys. May gulay. Subscribe na kayo, guys. Baka may pag-giveaway ako nito, oh.
Okay. Good for them. Okay, yeah, good.
Kita mo na asawa ko, oh. Hindi rin niya naubos.
Oh.
I clean. There's nothing here. It's me to do. Except for the chair, it's you.
Well, nothing.
Wala?
Right, good.
Sino namang makakaubos ng pagkain, guys? Meron pa, oh. Giveaway ko to sa inyo.
Well, to eat that. Food.
Especially this one.
Ah.
Di ba sa Pilipinas, hindi tayo, bihira lang tayo yung kumakain ng ano,
How's that?
sheep pa. But we don't eat, it's my first time to eat this one.
Ah.
Ano tawag sa sheep? Sheep? I don't know. Baka lamb, no?
Lamb.
Lamb?
I think.
Ah.
It's lamb. Lamb with
Pero bihira lang sa Pilipinas yun lang.
Yeah, I'm in Philippines. I don't see that.
Mama, I didn't have that before.
Oh, where's the skin of
Yes, you know so much, you know that one? It's like a filler,
fever?
feeder? It's not feeder, feeder is for the bird. Parang I don't know what to coat?
Ah, yeah, yeah.
It's the one to make the coat, no?
So much in Europe. Especially the Halal hair.
I think this is chicken.
Yes, the chicken from
Ah, yeah, because they're Arabic.
Halal. It's Halal. Oh, it's a Halal.
Halal. Sa mga kapatid kong Muslim dyan, halal to. Halal mukbang with the French husband.
But that is not Halal.
This one is not halal, of course.
Oh, that's why also.
Kasi, ito, favorite niya talaga to guys. Monster Energy. He always drink that one. And family
Not
orange, but me, water.
You
Just water
eat
is
so
enough.
much of it. You eat so much.
Not so much. I'm full actually.
For Sophia. That's good.
I finish this one after.
Yeah, he says that and you eat a bit. Hi.
I like this one talaga.
What?
I like this one.
The corn. I do.
Sarap magkamay guys, pero naubos ko na yung rice ko. Pero may natira pa. Ito guys, oh. Giveaway ko yan sa inyo. But, hindi ito masasayang guys kasi tomorrow, kakainin namin ito. I think dinner also. So, put in the fridge, of course. So, we're going to say bye-bye to them. We're done. So, ayan guys. Natapos na din yung mukbang namin. Halal food, Arabic food. May lamb, chicken, and legumes, vegetables, and mais. And then, that's all guys. So, please like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to be notified every time we're going to upload new video. So, goodbye guys! Thank you for watching! Merci beaucoup!